So this captive air range hood was making just an awful noise. Came up here, looked at it. All 4 of those feet are actually broken up. I already opened the thing and adjusted it so that it would stop rattling so much, but turns out it's actually broke from its base. So we're gonna try remounting it in there, just using some zip screws and strap to hold that motor in place. There was like a little piece of aluminum that had ground off and gotten stuck in the wheel, so it was really imbalanced, and I pulled that off. So now at least it's not shaking like it was. But basically we got to get this thing mounted in here so that it's not just free floating, because that's really bad. I will show you this. See, it's just not. It's no longer attached to its original base mounting spots. So here is essentially what failed. Just a chunk of rubber that was bolted to the motor flange. You can see right there. And then the bottom side of it went down to a screw that was securing it. So eventually that rubber ripped, and then the whole motor was able to pivot and cause a pretty significant malfunction. So what we're going to do, section of rubber from this Fernco, and this is similar in thickness to our piece that we're removing. Put these in the old position and secure them with a screw, and then we'll run a screw down against this, so that should be able to absorb the vibration of the motor. And then we're going to add maybe 3 brackets and a band around the motor to hold it in place so it can't move, and that should work to keep it in place until we can order new little rubber deals, or if that's a good solution, we'll maybe just leave it that way. So this screw is securing the rubber. That screw is next to the original mounting hardware, and that should keep it in place, but we're still going to add, I think, 3 feet on here to ensure that this thing doesn't move, and then a band. So you can see we've added 3 legs mounted to the bottom plate, and then they have a section of rubber, so it should allow some movement and vibration absorption from the motor, plus the rubber that we added down below. This is kind of the stuff you have to do sometimes when the system is needed right now and you don't have the parts. But that really took care of the problem that this unit was having, and hopefully it'll work good now for a long time, and they'll be able to continue making French fries. They don't have to shut down the restaurant. So anyway, hope that you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.